how to fix Safari is missing from your iPad. So if you're unable to see the Safari app on your iPad home screen, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and fix this. So the first thing you can do is head over to your home screen like this, and then just use your finger to swipe down to bring up the search box. Now in the search box, type in the word Safari, and you can check to see if the app is showing from here. Now if you can't find it, we'll need to go and open up the settings. And from the settings page, scroll down on the left hand side and then click on screen time. Now press content and privacy restrictions. You can then click on allowed apps and make sure Safari is turned on and enabled. Now alternatively, you can just come back over to the previous window and you can just turn off content and privacy restrictions like this. Now once you've done this, head back over to the home screen on your iPad. You could then use the search box once again and type in Safari, and you should be able to see the app from the list. Now if you can't find it on your home screen, you may just need to add the icon to the home screen. Now you can do that by holding down on the Safari app like so, and you may have an option here to add it to the home screen, and you can go and select that to add it to your iPad home screen. Now if you don't see this option, the Safari app is already on your home screen, so if you come back over to this window, you should be able to find it from your list of applications.